Griffin has gotten a card today. I said it was for Valentine's. We spent like 45 minutes in the children's hour. Now we want to get him perfect thing.
Mom!
I couldn't think of it. And he always likes shoot guns, and that's all he likes. And mommy doesn't. I'm not a fan of them. Ah. So we wanted to get him something that probably wouldn't hurt nobody. And Rusty is kind of scared, and he's trying to guard. And Griffin is just excited. It was on sale. It was supposed to be $50. It was only $25. Help you? I'm recording you. Turn it around. Go slow. I wish you can make it go. I wish it can go a little slower. He gonna have to go outside with that. That's gonna be fun. We got something for the summer?
Yeah, I'm doing that. What's that?
Not today. Next weekend we could go.
Tomorrow.
No, we have today is Sunday. We can go. And mommy made fish. And she didn't saute the peppers. She fried them.
Hey, come on.
They're good though. They're good. I would have liked sauteed. I would have liked sauteed and fried. That would have been nice. You want to be seen? Yeah. Go for it. It's the monster truck. You gotta hit. You gotta hit piece of shop. But you can't pick it up. You gonna cheat. Hit him. He's gonna hit piece of shark. Are you going? Push it forward. Hit him. Hit him. What are you doing? I know it's not dead. It's been on. Can you do it? Come here. Let me show you. I know it's not dead. It's been on the charger forever. Do you know how to do it? He hit him. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed it. Go back. Oh. Maybe you should sit down and do it. Rusty's scared. Go back. Ooh, whoa! Now we're not. It's plastic. It's not. It probably put dents in them. Not big dents. Move it. You move it. Is it too hard for your fingers? Rusty, like, what in the hell did they bring into this house? This is no fun. Alright, you gonna say bye-bye?
No.
You going?
Hello.
No, that's not.
Hello.
No, I'm only got like 5 minutes left. I'm gonna have to upload this right to YouTube.
Hey, come here.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it like ASAP because. Wow. I knew he would like it. I should have did it for Christmas, but it's only been a month since Christmas.
Wow, nice trick. Did they go fetch and play dead too? Yes.
Maybe you should sit on the sofa and do it. Maybe I should put something up here for Rusty so he can sit on the sofa. Alright, okay, let's put it up. Let's put it up. Let's put it up for now so Rusty can get over there. Don't move it. You trying to move it. Don't move it. Don't move it. Are you... Alright. Well, Rusty has a safe spot. Oh, Naomi's here! Naomi's here! Yay! I was so focused on the video.
Where
What? I know. Where have you been?
Let's move this side.
In every direction, they are all choking on your second-hand smoke.
He has a strong finger. Griffin, stop before you break it. Why you don't sit down? Naomi, can you put... Alright, stop. Can you pick up Rusty and put him on right there? Yo, you're gonna... No.
Why?
Because you're gonna move it while she's trying to get Rusty, and Rusty's gonna be scared.
What's going to be up here?
Yeah.
When I move?
Yeah.
Why don't we just make a little wager on that? Loser of the finals will be television.
Maybe take a picture, maybe.
Take a picture.
Yeah.
Ah,
But
why is he up again?
no, it's Rusty.
Never mind. He not gonna listen. He not gonna listen. He ain't gonna listen.
He's stubborn.
You let your fingers do the talking.
Ma.
I don't have. See? See, I don't know why he didn't listen.
Ma.
All right, this is gonna be too much recording. This don't move too fast. All right, say bye bye, Griffin.
No.
We have to go.
Bye-bye.
Say bye bye, mommy.
Bye-bye.
Me.
Not the pistol.
She said bye, and her mom.
All
right. Say bye bye. Yep. Say bye. Hold it in the air and say, I really like this.
No.
Okay. Jeez. I'm trying to get a good ending because he's not trying to really say bye. All right, I'm doing it. Uploading it.